Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Yonit Arthur. I'm an audiologist and strength coach and I specialize in vestibular disorders. Welcome to my channel, The Steady Coach. Today's video is going to be a very short announcement and I'm so excited to tell you guys that I have built a free course for people who would like to treat their own chronic dizziness. It is my personal mission, as you know from seeing all my YouTube videos, to share as much information as I can for free on how to treat chronic dizziness. I hear from many people throughout the world in response to my videos, and unfortunately, a lot of people just don't have access to care or can't financially afford care. But every single person here and every single person around the world who has chronic dizziness deserves to have the tools that I have to treat my patients who have chronic dizziness. This course will walk you through step by step using the protocols that I use with my patients. It includes a step-by-step guide on how to know whether you have neural circuit dizziness. It gives some tips on getting a medical diagnosis if you suspect you have one. It teaches some stress reduction techniques and walks you through how to use some of the tools that I have here on my channel. It gives you some methods for digging into some of the stress and difficult situations you've dealt with in the past that are likely contributing to your dizziness now. And I also have a full vestibular rehabilitation example program on there, including weekly logs, so that you can design your own vestibular rehabilitation program. So this course is my humble offering, my humble gift to you guys, in the hopes that even those of you who can't afford care will still be able to heal your chronic dizziness using these methods. I want to thank my mom for inspiring me to start doing this work. And I want to thank all of the wonderful people who I've heard from all around the world, either on YouTube or by email, who really need these resources. So without further ado, I'm going to link below to the course. Again, you can sign up for free, and my plan is to keep this course free forever. I'm also working on a membership site that will be available in addition to the free course. The membership site will have things like a video library of exercises, and I'm also planning to do some seminars and live Q&As, but that's all in development at this point. If you sign up for the free course, I can keep you up to date on when I launch my membership site as well. So I'll see you over there at members.thesteadycoach.com.